welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook a delicious pasta. It has only few ingredients and I really hope that you're gonna like it. For this delicious recipe we need the following ingredients: 11 ounces of peeled shrimps, 12 ounces of penne pasta, 3 medium-sized potatoes peeled and chopped, Parmesan cheese, white cooking wine, 3 cups of water. You will also need 3 or 4 ounces of cherry tomatoes chopped, 3 garlic cloves chopped, a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. We start by adding the olive oil to a pot or a big frying pan. I do prefer the pot and you will see why. Heat it up on medium heat and add the chopped garlic. Let it saute for a few seconds, but be careful because the garlic will burn really fast. And add the shrimps. If you use raw shrimps, you need to cook it for 2 minutes on each side. If you use the cooked ones, split the cooking time in half. When the shrimps are almost ready, add the chopped tomatoes and cook for 1 more minute. Add some parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and the white cooking wine, and cook for 1 more minute. Set it aside when it's ready. In the same pot, add some olive oil, heat it up, and add the potatoes previously peeled and chopped in small cubes. Fry it until golden. Add a pinch of salt to adjust the taste, some pepper. At this point, we just want to brown the potatoes a little bit and not cook them completely. Add some water until it covers the potatoes and cook for 10 minutes. Mix them to be sure that they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. When they are half cooked, you can add the pasta. Mix the pasta, and at this point you can add the water little by little. The water has to be hot to not delay the cooking of the pasta. Cook the pasta al dente as per the instructions on the box. Make sure to mix it often to avoid the pasta sticking to the bottom of the pot. You can add more water as needed. Remember, this is a really creamy pasta and you don't want to thicken the sauce too much. You might end up having no sauce. When the sauce has the desired thickness and the pasta is cooked to your liking, adjust the taste with some salt and pepper and add the remaining parsley. Our pasta is almost ready. Add the set aside shrimp and mix it for a few seconds for the flavor to infuse. Sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and voila, the pasta is ready to eat. Our pasta is ready. I really hope that you enjoy the recipe and let's try it. This is amazing. You guys have to believe me, it's a really delicious pasta, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe.